Welcome to my Car and Train channel. Today I would like to give you some updates on my Marklin train layout. A lot has been going on since I've made the last movie, and I want to inform you about what those updates are. Perhaps the most important is the fact that I started to go digital. So I am using the Marklin system, and here you can see the transformer. So I have dedicated the outside loops, and we are going to discuss about the loops because they are under construction, to digital trains. The middle and the inside are still analog. So this black locomotive that you see arriving, this one is still analog, whereas this one, the 210O, is digital. And I'm going to show you what I am able to do. So I put Thomas the tank behind, and I'm going to regulate the speed of Thomas so that it follows. Oops. Okay, so Thomas has derailed. I am picking up Thomas, and I'm going to put Thomas behind the other train. And we are going to regulate the speed of Thomas so that it's able to catch up. So let There we go. So now Thomas, and as you can see on the outside loop, I am able to have two trains, so Thomas and the 210O, working independently, and that's because it's digital. So that has been a very big evolution. The other thing that I would like to show you is the fact that on the outside I have started to build curves using a train system that Marklin developed in the 50s, which is the 3900 and the 3800. So this one here is the 3800 and this one is the 39. So I am planning to have two more loops with the 38 and the 39, but also perhaps trying to go under the table where I will have a staging area with the switches. That will be a big project. As you know, I have the faller system, so I'm going to show you. So the faller system, which is completely integrated with the Marklin system. So let's look at that a little bit more in detail. And we are going to see sometimes the rail gets a little bit rusted, but I should be able to get it. No, it's working in the wrong direction. But you see, it's taking the ramp, and it should be able to go all the way to the loader. Sometimes it needs a little bit of help when it has not been used in a while. The other point that I would like to show you is the workshop, which is a testimony to what my grandfather was doing, and it's a complete workshop. My grandfather was repairing train tracks, So I bought this workshop. Unfortunately, when I received it, it got very damaged. So right now I am rebuilding all the parts that have been damaged. And what is happening here is that actually Thomas went too fast and is hooked up. So let's detach Thomas a little bit and slow down Thomas. So that Thomas doesn't collide with the first train in front of it. On the right side, you can see an autorail in French, Picasso, made by Jouef, and it has an electronic module to be able to be run digital. So I was doing a demonstration with my son, and unfortunately the locomotive bumped into the train before it and fell on the ground and broke the decoder. So I am waiting right now to receive from Europe a new decoder, which is fairly difficult to find because it's a very old technology. What else can I show you? Still the same display at the end. Not a lot new here. So let's have a final view on the track. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section, and I let you enjoy for 1 more minute my total layout. Oh, actually, I've forgotten to show you my latest acquisition that you may have seen already on my channel, which is a live steam locomotive in HO scale, and which is really a beauty. I recommend that you follow the link at the end of this video if you want to see it. Thank you for watching.